What up, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a fun day planned. We're out here in Tahoe National Forest in this place called Bowman Lake. It's a pretty popular overland trail here in Northern California. Super excited, never been here before, heard a lot about it, you know, seen a lot of YouTube videos on it, so I figured we come out for just like a one-nighter trip and hang out and do some cooking, do some camping, and just chill. I'm here with the homie T. He came out, his Forerunner's in the shop right now, so he just hopped a ride with me, brought a couple of his camping gear, but for the most part, yeah, we're gonna get started on this trail, about to air down the tires and then get on our way. So yeah, enjoy the video, and yeah, stay tuned for some more. Car. Crazy. Oh, we just beat it up too. You ain't never toned that out. What up, what up? Welcome back. So we're at camp right now. We actually found a really good spot with a fire pit, so tonight we're going to be able to do a fire. We actually got a bear box as well, so we could actually put our food in here. It is right over here is where the fire pit is, right over there. And then it's pretty cool, you actually got like a little couch thing that was built. So yeah, it's just overall a pretty cool spot. We also got a picnic table. It looks pretty new actually, which is kind of cool. But yeah, we're just getting situated right now. I'm gonna set up camp. We're gonna set up the tent and then kind of just maybe get some food ready or snack. And then after that, maybe go by the water, maybe take a swim, maybe do some archery. We don't know. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of chill and relax for the rest of the afternoon. But yeah, stay tuned for some more action later on. We're gonna be cooking up some Korean food later as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Nice. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So we're gonna be testing out some knives today. So we got a couple new knives in the arsenal that we brought. T brought his new Puko knife that he purchased a couple months ago. He hasn't tried it out yet, so we're gonna do some firecraft with that particular one. And then I have a new survival knife, the Architect, from Tops Knives, that I'm gonna be testing out. It's like a survival bushcraft style knife that I'm gonna be testing out, trying to do some batoning and stuff like that. And then we have some of our old faithfuls. We have the SC6 as well as the SC5, yeah. And we also have the Gerber Strong Arm here as well. Those are the ones that we are kind of our bread and butter. We use pretty much every time we go camping. But yeah, we're gonna try out a couple of these new knives today.
Had to do a little practice because obviously I'm not a finished woodworker, but technically they do it backwards. So to do this the right way, you go backwards. Look at that. And it's just nice and smooth strokes. You know, you got a perfect. Obviously, I could have gone a little bit higher. Lariat, see, look at that. Look at that. It's actually better if you go slower instead of trying to like, it's almost like filleting sushi in a sense, or cutting sushi. You want to do it soft and not hurt yourself too, because I'm certainly not the best at this, but some decent. I definitely can go a little, once I get some more practice, I'll be able to do this a lot better. But yeah. There you go.
Nice.
Yabenpaw.
Cool knife. Oh, this is nice. This cuts like butter, man.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Nice, let's try this one. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna slice through this with these.
Oh yeah.
This thing's long too. I like the length of it. You can get a good leverage. Oh man. This is nice, man. This is a nice knife. I like it so far. Look at it, just like super clean too. It's like no damage to this nice finish at all. It still looks beautiful. It's like quick, you know. This was actually what I was using to baton, you know. So let me continue to use that. It's got some nice like weight right here at the end of it right here. So, and like I'm going against the grain right now, which is crazy. So like, let's see. Oh man, it's got a nice black backbone to it for sure, which is really nice. That's nice, man. It's a nice knife.
Yeah.
I'm liking it. It's got a nice grip too, so it's like, you know, you can really grasp onto it really nicely. And the finish just kind of cuts through the wood really smoothly, which is nice, which I really like. Yeah, it's doing quick work with this wood.
Yeah, man, that's like butter.
Yeah. This is nice.
You're cutting a French roll, man.
Yeah, man, that's crazy. This is really nice. I like it. You're gonna be making some
Rambo
nice
would
pieces.
be jealous. He's like, I want that.
Yeah. For sure. Cool. You're gonna be able to make some nice shavings with this too.
Oh yeah.
With this wood, because it's so quick. It's like wow. Like when I was using my last camping trip, when I was using the strong arm, it took like twice as much power to do the same work. This is just slicing straight through this wood, which is amazing.
Oh,
it's really awesome. Yeah, I think we got some pretty good pieces of wood here. Cool. So yeah, overall, just performs great so far. I mean, obviously I'm going to try to test it out on a couple more trips, maybe do some chopping, just see if we could find a log and do some chopping. But overall, when it comes to batoning, it's just, you know, works really well. Now, I think next time I'm going to try it on some actual just wood that I find, maybe a log that I find anywhere. Usually, typically that wood's not dry. This is obviously firewood, so it's gonna chop a lot easier and baton a lot easier. But yeah, I think next time I'm definitely gonna test this out on an actual log that I find in the woods. Yeah, so far, I give this knife, I give it a 9 out of 10 so far. This knife's performing pretty awesome from a batoning perspective, just for firewood at camp. Just for my purposes as someone who's like just a camp, someone who just likes to camp, and chop some firewood. So far so good. It's working pretty well. Alright, so we got this okonomiyaki packet. It's a savory Japanese pancake mix. I got it over at Daiso for like $5, and we're gonna try it out today. It comes with the okonomi sauce and the flour. All you gotta do is add 2 eggs and some water.
Nice.
Pretty good, right?
Could use some hot sauce.
Yeah.
But I put hot sauce on everything. No. That's my problem.
making a big fire. What's up, guys? It's been a super long day, but a really fun one. Was able to just hang out around camp and relax. Did some archery, hung out by the lake. Got to see the water. Did some night photography. Cooked some amazing food. The okonomiyaki was amazing, and we made some pork belly fried rice, which was really good too. But I am exhausted. So yeah, I'm gonna get some rest, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Thanks, man.
What up, guys? We just got done airing up the tires. We are heading out of Bowman Lake. We're about to go get breakfast. And yeah, we're starving. We had a little mishap where I couldn't find my drone, so it took us like a good 45 minutes to go hike around and try to find it. But luckily enough, there was a guy camping. He said, "I saw your drone go that way," so we were able to actually find it. But yeah, we're starving. We're gonna go get something to eat, man. What's up, guys? We're over here at Adalberto's in Sacramento, getting some of that OG SoCal Mexican food. I got myself some carne asada fries, and T got himself a California burrito, that French fry life. But yeah, that was it for this trip, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and yeah, we'll catch you at the next one. Cheers.